Damn, she done fell too. Oh, that ain't that bad.
It's just bent up. It'll get fixed.
Yeah, that's about it.
Steering came loose.
You got some Mexicans on the team? You got any Mexicans on the team? They can do that in one day. That ain't nothing but a fender. Man, I seen Silver Dollar get fixed up. He was worse than that, man. About a week.
Well, you have to go. Oh, it can get fixed faster than that.
Yeah.
You just got to call UPR and get some parts.
UPR?
Yeah.
That's who got everything. It didn't mess up no suspension parts.
No, the front suspension's messed up. Look at the rim is bent like this. And
what? Oh, shit. Oh, man. What caused that? Something ain't right, y'all.
Put it down, right?
Your Mexicans know how to fix this shit quick, man. Hey, man.
But we love some lookout video.
I already. Hey, thank you,
We
miss.
appreciate you.
I be trying to get
in all
out
your
there.
live feeds across the nation.
Miss, I be trying to go live and hope somebody recognizes it, miss. I sure appreciate it. She recognizes y'all.
Look at.
That leg tired now.
Tight fit.
Hey, one damn leg, man. You ain't worked out but number one leg. Let me see.
I had to squeeze it in there.
But still, that's just one. Well, y'all, he done pumped that one leg up, y'all, like a push-up ball. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out.